Okay, let's make this snappy. Do. What do they say on that part? They go, I'm going. What do they say on that part? Nobody, baby. Did y'all used to do that Deborah Cox thing? You know the Deborah Cox thing when they used to be like, bitch, we used to do this on the bus. What was that Deborah Cox thing? When they used to be like, how did you get it? Bitch, I caught the bus. Nobody's supposed to be here. Bitch, I came to fuck. I tried that love thing for the last time. My heart says no. Bitch, your heart can't talk. Bad as fuck. Oh my god, bad ass kids cursing and shit. Those was the good old days. Anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and update y'all because I really don't have a lot of time because I have to work tonight. So I just came on here because I'm like, damn, I ain't posted a video in like a month, and I was going strong for like a year. So it was like I ain't posted a video in a month, so I was like, I have to say something. So I just want to let y'all know that I have relocated. That's what has been taking me so long to post another video because I just haven't had time. Like, life has been happening. I've been like moving all my stuff out of my mom's house into my new apartment, and I just haven't had time to post no video. Like, you know, you got to get internet, and I just got the internet maybe about a week ago. So I just really haven't had time, and then I've been working a lot because now bitch got real bills now. So yeah, YouTube is not paying me to be fabulous, but one day it will, mark my words. But at this point, it's not paying me. It's not paying me at all. I mean, it did pay me a little something, but they done fucking changed the rules. Now they ain't paying a bitch. But anyways, that's besides the point. I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all please excuse my bare ass face. Like, I ain't even had time to look cute for y'all. I was gonna do some makeup, like do this get ready with me, but like I said, I gotta work tonight. So I was like, they just gonna have to take me for who I am. Like, I just can't do all that right now. So anyway, now that I've got my internet into my apartment, I should be posting a video sometime next week. This trip that I'm going on is 4 days, so probably not this week, clearly, because by the time I get back the week will be over. So I'm going to just post a video next week. I'm not sure which video because I got like 4 different videos that I recorded a while back and never edited or posted it. So I got like 4 or 5 videos. Then I've been doing like decorating my new apartment with my boyfriend. So I did a lot of DIYs in my apartment. I could have filmed those, but I didn't. But I do got a DIY that I've been holding off on so that I could film it for you guys. And maybe I might do an apartment tour. Like, the way that I decorated is really nice. It's really cute. Like, sis came through with the decoration. So that's like another reason why I just haven't had time. I've been like investing all my time, all my money into our new space. So, you know, that's life. So I just wanted to give y'all an update that I will be back, and I was just taking a little moment to get my life in order. But like I said, I will be starting to post new videos and new DIYs starting next week. So y'all just be on the lookout. Hold tight, sit tight, hold it down, POP. Hold it down. I'm coming back. Don't leave. Don't go nowhere. Don't unsubscribe. I'm coming back. I promise you I'll be here next week. I'm gonna hit it with a good DIY for y'all. And then I might post my little other videos that I've been recorded. But I feel like if I'm coming back, I need to come back with a bang. So I'm gonna come back with something good for y'all, something that y'all might want to do at y'all spot or whatever. So let me just go ahead and, matter of fact, now I know. I was just gonna do one little thing, but I can make it a whole little thing, like a whole little section. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is. I'm gonna just surprise y'all. But anyways, I guess I'll just holler at y'all. I just wanted to give y'all an update. I don't want to make this video 6,000 hours long. Just talk. Cause boy, when I be watching YouTubers and they be talking, I be like, girl, oh my God, you could talk. But anyway, let me just go ahead and get out of here, because like I said, I didn't want this video to be too long. I'm finna pop this bitch in this editing thing and just bloop 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 in post. Okay, so like I said, hold it down. I'll see y'all next week.